With your business on Office 365, you can review your monthly bill, see your subscriptions, and who is using them. To do this, go to office.com and sign in. Then choose Admin. You can get to your subscriptions page from here, or common tasks like View My Bill. From here, choose a month, then View. Then, next to your subscription, choose View Details. You see your bill details, including your last payment and recent activity. To get an invoice, choose a date, then Show. Then View Invoice in PDF to see the complete details that you can download or print. To get notified of your next billing statement, return to the Admin Center, and under Billing, choose Billing Notifications. Then turn on Receive Billing Statement as attachment. To update your credit card used to pay for Office 365, go to Subscriptions. Then Update Payment Details. Then Edit Details. Change your name, address, or expiration date. Then Submit. Then Close. The Subscriptions page shows your different Office 365 subscriptions, in this case, Business Premium. You see that everyone at the company is using this subscription and that it's active and will renew next year. You can purchase more of these licenses for your employees from here. Or purchase a different Office 365 plan by choosing Add Subscriptions. Purchase different plans like Essentials, Enterprise, Dynamics, or Project. Let's choose Enterprise E3 for an employee who needs those features. Then Buy Now. Pay for the full year. Leave it as one user. Then Check Out Now. Then Next. Place order. And continue. Now to assign this new subscription to an employee, go to Users, select the employee who needs it. Next to Product Licenses, choose Edit. Then turn on the Enterprise plan and save. Then close and close again. If at any time you want to make sure all subscriptions are being used and you're not overpaying, under Billing, choose Licenses. And here you'll see how many licenses you have for that plan, whether they're expired, and whether they're assigned to employees. There's a lot more you can do with billing and subscriptions in the Office 365 Admin.